Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sanaa from So Crafty Sanaa, and I am back with my savings challenge cash stuffing video. So this video is going to be quick, you guys. I am going to be stuffing $120 between my multiple savings challenges. I don't know which ones I'm going to do yet, but let's just see. I pretty much can eliminate the $100 because I only have 120. So I want to see what other ones I can kind of really put money in. So yeah. Life be life, and I'm not going to do because I have sinking funds that kind of go with all of these. My monthly savings challenge, you guys, let's do this. It is March, and let's see, February, I didn't save anything. I didn't even pay attention. But March, it's $10 of flour, so I am definitely going to contribute to March. So let's see, I'm going to do 2 cloves, and that will be $20. So I'm going to put $20 into March. I forgot all about this. February, I don't know why I didn't save money. So, all right. So I put $20 into March. Okay. So my $10 a week savings plan, I'm off to a bad start, you guys, but I'm going to pick up the momentum. I am going to at least put, I'll put $20. I'll put $10 here. Okay. That'll get me going. So let's sit this here. That'll get me going. My $25 a week savings challenge. Now I can do 25. So let me just go ahead and put 25 in here also. I got to get to going. I am slacking on my savings challenge now. You guys, if you watch my savings unstuffing for 2024, I'll put the video here. I saved over $7,000. So I am really proud. I had no idea I saved that much money. So, now my 600 ways to save. I love this. This happens to be my favorite challenge because there are so many in here that I can put money into. So for instance, I'm going to do the 5 here. And I'm just going to throw $5 in there. And I try to just go square for square. So here it says $9. So I'm going to see, I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to put $9 there. And there's 6 different challenges in this book, which gives you, each board has 100 different ways to save. And each board has a different goal amount. So the first board is 100 squares under $5, which will give you a total of $330. The next is 100 under over $5, but under 10. So everything is between $5 and $10. And if you save this whole board, it's $595. This board is 100 under 25. So all 100 are under $25. If you save this whole board, it will be $1,324. This board here is 100 under 50. So everything's under $50. And if you save this, you'll get $2,400. And this one is 100 under 25, over 25, but under 50. So everything's between $25 and $50. If you save this entire board, it's $3,680. And then this is the big boy, 100 over 50. So everything's over $50. And if you save this entire board, it's $7,356. So in total, if you do them all, it's $16,000. Okay. So I did 1, I did 2. And so here, the next one says 19. So let's see if I have 19. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it says I do have 19. So I'm going to put that in here. And I like to do, as you can see, I'm not consistent with one. I like to do many. So my next says 47. How much does I have? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So I only have $32. So let's see if we can find a 32 on here. Yep, here's 30. Here's 32. It dries out really fast. So I'm going to put $32 in here. I did not make it to the next one, which is, and by the way, you can select zipless or zippered envelopes if you were to purchase this. And again, All of my savings challenges are linked down below. I do have another sinking fund binder that will be relaunching soon. It's our Let's Get Ahead binder for anyone who's looking to get ahead on their bills. And I'm going to do it with you because I am currently 1 month ahead on bills. So I want to get 2 months ahead on bills. So what that means is during the month of March, all of my income that I receive will go towards my April's bills. So all of my bills that are being paid during the month of March came from my February's money income. So I am currently a month ahead. So if something happened, at least I have 1 month cushion, but I do have emergency savings. And then not to mention any and everything in a cash envelope is my money. So if I had a real emergency, I would just empty everything out. But nonetheless, bills specifically, I like to keep separate. So I am currently 1 month ahead on bills and I want to get 2 months ahead on bills so we can do that together. I should be launching that by the end of the month, you guys. I'm excited for you too. Let's get ahead. So that is it for me. I stuffed $120 into my savings challenges. And let's see, this is all of them. I was going to do another savings challenge binder, but you guys, I didn't do it. But I'm thinking about it because I have some other creative ways. I haven't been launching new products and I just don't know the future of SKS. But what I do have, I will be consistent with because I utilize everything that I have on a daily basis. So you guys, please stay tuned for my next video so I can update you on my budget drama, my money problems. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.